In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification settings in Wrike. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of notifications coming your way, or perhaps realized you were missing out on important updates, then this guide is exactly what you need. We'll go through the steps to manage your notification settings, which will help in tailoring your Wrike experience according to your preferences and needs. First, let's start by managing email and inbox notifications. Begin by locating your profile picture in the top left corner of the dashboard. A click on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll want to select Settings. This section is your control center for managing different aspects of your Wrike account. Now look to the left side menu and find Email Preferences. Clicking here will display a list of notifications that you can customize. This is where you have the opportunity to decide what updates you'd like to receive via email and which ones you can do without. You'll see a list of options such as new app mentions, task assignments, status changes, and daily digest emails. For each of these, there are checkboxes. Check or uncheck them according to your preference. This flexibility allows you to streamline communication to ensure you're only getting the information that's pertinent to your role and tasks without being bogged down by notifications that aren't as crucial. After tweaking these settings to your liking, don't forget the important step of saving these changes. There should be a Save Changes button prominently displayed in this section. Clicking it will make sure all your adjustments are actively applied, ensuring your Wrike notifications are perfectly tailored to your needs. By taking the time to customize your notification settings, you'll be able to strike a perfect balance between staying informed and reducing unnecessary interruptions. It's all about making Wrike work for you, and not the other way around. Plus, you can return to these settings anytime should your preference or role responsibilities change. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow. Remember, a well-organized notification setup is a key component in managing tasks efficiently. With these easy-to-follow steps, you're now empowered to customize your Wrike experience like never before.